Do your eyes often feel strained? Do you constantly look at the LED screen at work, during break, or at home? Beware, this can cause you eye strain. Hey guys, this is Healthy Hacks, and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification and comment in the comment box saying I subscribe. For more, click the link below in the description. More and more people today are suffering from eye fatigue and strain because of their lifestyle. Both adults and kids spend a lot of time staring at the computer screen or mobile phones. We only have these precious two windows to the world. So here is the 10 eye exercise that you can do anytime, anywhere. Consistently staring at the computer or the mobile screen can lead to both eyes and mental fatigue. In fact, it happens because we often forget to blink. Here is an easy exercise to solve this problem. Sit comfortably on a chair. Keep your shoulder relaxed and neck straight, and look at a blank wall. Close your eyes. Hold for a few seconds and then open your eyes. Do this continuously 10 times to complete one set of the exercise. This is an excellent exercise for your eyes and has the potential to resolve focusing issues. Follow these steps to do it. Sit on a chair straight and keep your shoulders relaxed. Extend your right arm in front of you and stick your thumb out and focus on the tip for a few seconds. Without moving your hand, focus on the surrounding. Focus on a distant object. Focus back on the thumb. This is a fun exercise. You can do it at work, home, and even in bed. Here is how to do it. Sit, stand, or lie down. Look straight ahead. You can keep your eyes open or closed. Move your eyes up and down quickly. Do it 10 times before stopping and rest for 5 to 10 seconds. No, I don't mean post-it notes or DMs. This is an exercise that soothes the eye and tones the eye muscle. Initially, this might seem impossible, but when you do it regularly for a few days, you will experience a great difference in your eye muscle. Hence, here is how to do it. Look at a blank wall and imagine you are writing on it with your eyes. This makes the eye muscle move rapidly in different directions. Do it for about 15 to 20 seconds. This exercise is based on yoga. It is extremely relaxing and stress relieving. It also helps get rid of headache that is caused due to eye strain. Here is how to do it. Sit comfortably and massage the eyelids very gently with your ring finger. Start with the inner edge of the lower eyelid and gradually move outwards. You can go on to massage the eyebrows in a similar fashion after finishing with the lower lids. Do it 5 sets of 10 repeats. For this eye exercise that's so easy and effective that it will almost feel like you are doing nothing. But let me tell you, its impact on the eye muscle is like no exercise on the list. And here is how to do the thumb exercise. Sit comfortably, keep your shoulders relaxed and neck straight and look straight. Hold both your thumbs at arm's length directly in front of your eyes. Focus your vision on the right thumb for about 5 seconds. Shift the focus to the space between two thumbs, preferably at a distant object for another 5 seconds. Finally, shift your gaze to the left thumb and focus it on for 5 seconds. Back to the space between the two thumbs and then focus on the right thumb. This is simply an exercise for healthy eyes. Just don't creep people out by doing it in a public places. Here is how to do it. Sit, lie or stand comfortably and take a few breaths. Keeping your head still, try to look left as much as you can using your eyes. Hold your vision for about 5 seconds. Look right as much as you can and hold your vision there. This is a really nice, relaxing and calming exercise. Here is how to do it. Sit on a chair and keep your elbows on a table in front of you. Cover the eye with each palm. Breathe in and breathe out and feel the tension release. Do it for 30 seconds straight before releasing the pose. Just like you need to flex your biceps to strengthen them, you must flex your eyes to strengthen the eye muscle. Here is how to do it. Sit comfortably on a chair and look straight. Look up without moving your neck and then look down. Do it 10 times, then look to your extreme right, then keep your neck straight. Look to your extreme left and do it 10 times.